Connecting the two-gang junction box for a single pole and three-way switch and installation of the switches. Nail the junction box appropriate to accommodate the wires and switches according to the junction box calculation, by NEC, National Electrical Code. Install the cable support, cable stacker. Insert wires into the junction box. Mark the cables if necessary. Cable to the light outlet controlled by a single pole switch. Cable to another electrical outlet. Cable from the panel board or other power source. 14. 3 cable to another three-way switch, or four-way if there are more than 2 switches. Remove the cable sheath. Group all ground wires, bare, and splice them using the wire nut. Insert the connection into the junction box, leaving the pigtail wire outside the junction box. Group the neutral, white, wires from all cables, splice them together with a wire nut, and insert the connection into the junction box. Group the hot, black, wires from the cable from the power source and from the cable to the other electrical outlet. Connect them together by adding 2 black pigtail wires with the same wire diameter and insert this connection into the junction box. Group one of the pigtail wires and the traveler wires, black and red, from the 14.3 cable to the another 3-way switch junction box. Group the other pigtail wire and the hot, black, wire from the cable to the light outlet controlled by single pole switch. Trim all wires to no shorter than 6 inches from the bottom of the junction box. Insert group wires into the junction box. Coil the ground wire and insert it into the junction box. Coiled ground wire. Wires for connection to a single pole switch. Wires for connection to a three-way switch. After installing the drywall, the switches should be connected to the appropriate wires. Coiled ground wire. Wires for connection to a single pole switch. Wires for connection to a three-way switch. Pull the wires out of the junction box and strip the ends of the wires about 1/2 inch. Ground wire. Hot wire to the light fixture. Hot pigtail wire from the power source. Traveler wire from 14. 3 cable, black. Traveler wire from 14. 3 cable, red. Hot pigtail wire from the power source. Single pole switch, front view. Single pole switch, rear view. Ground terminal, green screw. Hot terminals, gold screws. Three-way switch, front view. Three-way switch, rear view. Ground terminal, green screw. Hot common terminal, black screw. Traveler wires terminals, gold screws. Connect the single pole switch as follows. Ground wire, bare, to the ground terminal, green screw, of the switch. Hot wire, black, to the light fixture and hot pigtail wire, black, from the power source to the hot terminals, gold screws, of the switch in any order. Secure the switch to the junction box. Make a loop at the end of the ground wire and connect the three-way switch as follows. Ground wire, bare, to the ground terminal, green screw, of the switch. Hot pigtail wire, black, from the power source to the hot common terminal, black screw, of the switch. One of the traveler wires, red, can also be black, from the 14. 3 cable to one of the traveler wire terminals of the switch. The other traveler wire, black, or red if black is already connected, to the second traveler wire terminal of the switch. Secure the switch to the junction box. Level the switches and install the switch wall plate. If this video is helpful, please subscribe. Comments are welcome.